Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add FAQ section in your Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my dump website. Let me log in, and after that in the plugin sections let me upload plugin file. So guys, here you can see this is the plugin Divi SuperMe module. You can get the plugin from Divi official website. Here you can see this is the plugin name Divi SuperMe Pro, and you can check the cost. Then scroll down, you will get almost 60 plus modules, and you can build your own website. And here you can see the variant I am uploading, that is 4.9. Okay guys, here you can see plugin is installed. Let's activate, and the same way activate the light variant. Then let's go back to the pages, and after that let's view this page on the front side and enable Divi Fuel Builder. You can also enable this Divi Fuel Builder from here. You can see as like Elementor, just you can click and enable Divi Fuel Builder. Okay, now let's scroll down and we can add a new section. So let's find plus icon to add a new section. And here you can see blue icon, this is for this section. Then add a new regular section. Let me select 2-column row. And after that search for FAQ. Then here we can add FAQ item. Here you can add, for example, question 1, and here you can select the content type. You can also add shortcodes from the Divi library, but here you can also add some custom text, and you can also include the image. Then icon, you can select any of the icon from here. And after that, this is for FAQ icon. Then the other one is, this is for open FAQ icon. One is for close, then other is for open. Then scroll up. Here you can see icon placement on the left side as well as right side. Then you can duplicate and add more questions. Then go to design tab. Then here you can see typography options for the title. You can change title color, and these are various other typography options. You can also add text shadow. Then you can also change background color for tabs. And then here you can see for the icon you can also change the color. So this is for the background color and this is the color. So let's remove background color. And these are various other common options that you can use. After that, click here 3 dots and save it.